getting more reviews shouldn't feel like extra work. epicSnap helps you get more website reviews and Google reviews from your customers automatically. It sends review emails after a purchase, reminds customers if they forget, and even lets the product or gift recipients share photos of what was received, so reviews feel more real and trustworthy. You can even use the epicSnap mobile web app to quickly take a photo of the product before sending a request, like capturing the item right before it goes out, so customers can see exactly what was sent to them and feel more confident leaving a review. You can show star ratings and feedback directly on your product pages. Place review widgets anywhere on your site. Invite happy customers to leave a Google review, and even collect photo reactions from gift recipients so buyers can see how their gift was received. Whether you prefer a fully automated setup or want more control with manual sending and scheduling, epicSnap gives you the flexibility to match how you run your business. You stay in control of your reviews, from managing what appears on your site to responding to customers. epicSnap helps you make more sales, protect your reputation, and save time. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. Now let me show you how to access epicSnap inside your Epic Apps dashboard. After logging into your Epic Apps account, look at the left sidebar. Under Apps, click the Website Marketing tab. Here, you'll see all the marketing tools available for your store, including epicSnap. If you see other apps here that aren't in your account yet, no worries. You can explore all Epic apps through the link in the description box and discover more tools that can help you sell more online with Epic Shops. Now, click epicSnap to open it. You'll land on the app overview page. This page gives you a quick summary of what epicSnap does and how it helps your business grow. At the top right, you'll also see the Get Help button. If you ever need guidance, you can click it anytime for support. And if you'd like a demo or need extra help getting started, just email support@epicshops.com. Our team is always happy to help. And that's how you access epicSnap. In the next video, we'll take a quick tour of epicSnap so you can understand your dashboard, the admin app, and the mobile web app before setting anything up.